Pekka says, amazing. I asked whether AI will take us to type 1 in Kardashev scale 6 months ago. So this is one of the promises, it's a utopian promise of getting to AGI. If we get to AGI, artificial general intelligence, we can potentially say to the AI, how do we get to Kardashev level 1? How do we get to Kardashev level 2? It could be the accelerator, which allows us to push further out from our boundaries. They will need a long cable. So what I imagine is once they've trained the model up in space, a shuttle or some vehicle will be sent to retrieve the hard drives. Either that or the two books called Pandora's Star and Judas Unchained by Peter F. Hamilton, where they use wormholes to move data. So if we can invent wormholes, that would be pretty cool too. But otherwise, we're going to have to send a shuttle up and basically courier hard drives back and forth, which does seem very, very basic. Or, as you say, a cable, a space lift. Glad to see others on board. The sun has a lot of energy. We get some by putting solar farms here on Earth, but one, they only face the sun half the time at most, generally less. Two, they have to, where we can put the solar panels are not necessarily near where we are using the energy, unfortunately. A lot of our data centers are in cold climates. We put them in cold places because it helps with the cooling. There are ones like inside glaciers, for example, in famously places that are not very sunny for half of the year. We want our solar panels around the equator, but that is not necessarily where we are using the energy. We have problems deploying solar panels on Earth. It's more efficient in space, but then we need to get the energy back. Are we cluttering up space? The counter argument to that is space is big, very big, might not be an issue, but I think it's cool. I think it's very interesting to see these kind of projects becoming a reality. Someone like Carl Sagan would be very excited.